Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video we're going to discuss the Cardano price action, where we are right now preparing ourselves for a major breakout. And on today's video we're going to first of all discuss the price action. We're going to discuss the price targets that we do have for this Cardano potential breakout that we're going to get here, and of course much more. We're going to talk about the momentum that's currently creating and where it is most likely heading towards from here on. So if this sounds interesting for you out there, make sure to right away smash up that like button. And if you haven't already, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification, so you're not going to miss out on these time-related update videos that we're bringing out here on these cryptocurrencies here on the channel. So with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing the 4-hourly candles for the Cardano price action right now here. So what looks to be right now playing out on Cardano is pretty interesting. So you can see lower side on Cardano is providing massive support, like you can see, and we're right now trading against this level. So first of all, the time that we're right now trading on is very important, since we're trading on massive important support. But second of all, it is important to bounce from here on, because if we're going to fail to hold on towards this level, it's going to be showing us a breakdown for the Cardano price action. I will be already clarify up here, if we're going to be breaking down, I will be not placing short order, but we could be of course expect lower prices. Of course, the top side of resistance as well clearly shows us the rejection. So 1, 2, 3 clear touch points from top side is showing us that the top side is showing a clear amount of resistance, and that it could be of course for sure choose that direction if we're going to be breaking out either towards the upside or the downside. So to quickly fill up to you guys, yes, we are looking right now to a symmetrical triangle, and if we're going to either break towards the upside, we're going to see more bullish price action. Breakout towards the downside is going to result in more bearish price action. Of course, we're trading right now on the lower side here, so the chances are relatively high that we're going to fail to hold on towards this level. But like we've seen past in the several times here, the last times that we were retesting these levels, we bounced up every single time towards the upside. So will we be seeing another bounce up from here on? I do think, yeah, the chances are relatively there as well to see, of course, a very strong bounce for the Cardano price action. Of course, if we're going to be looking for a price target of this symmetrical triangle, I will be aiming for, of course, if we're going to see a break towards the upside, a $2.70 target. If we're going to, of course, depending on where we're going to fail to hold on towards the support line, but of course we could be looking for an either 25% move towards the downside. Either way, I will be right away say it. If we're going to break down, I do not think the chances are relatively high that we're going to reach this levels. I rather think that we could be, of course, find some more support around this box over here, because this is as well a previous major resistance and support zone, and I do think it's rather more likely to, of course, cool up from this zone and not reach the price target. If we're going to be breaking up, of course, we still have as well quite a lot of resistance targets that I will be talking about in a second. But if we're going to be breaking up, of course, we're going to be looking out for a very nice target of a 23% move. Could be helping us to push up, of course, the price action once again for Cardano. But what we can be seeing, of course, is if we're going to be moving up from here on, we could be potentially, of course, run in towards the all-time high resistance once again, because it already showed us very much significance, is that the previous all-time high got us rejected over there, and as soon as we're breaking out, it will be providing us at least some short-term resistance. But I do think that we could be reaching our price target as soon as we're going to form a higher high than this high, because this will be, of course, giving us this trend reversal signal, because so far we have been setting lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and if we're going to be, of course, able to break through this high over here, we're going to form a higher high structure, and I do think that we could be, in the end of the day, continuing its trend towards the upside. That's very important to look at right now. If I'm looking to some momentum indicators on the RSI, we know that the price action of Cardano right now is forming a massive hidden bullish divergence. That is, of course, another reason why you could be maybe start to get a little bit more greedy on the price action right now. You can see clearly right here on your chart, we're forming a lower low here on the RSI, like you can see, and while we're doing so, we're forming a clear higher low here on the price action. What is, of course, resulting in a hidden bullish divergence, what could be then, of course, result in the price action of Cardano once again continue its way towards the upside. So yeah, definitely chances are relatively high that we could be seeing a push up towards the upside, and that is, of course, looking particularly good. If we're looking to the Cardano compared to Ethereum pair, it looks to be once again, because Cardano tends to be moving against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, and of course, like you can see right now, we're retracing back towards this bottom, this floor price. This floor price usually shows us if we're going to retest it, that we could be seeing very strong bounces, and this is as well a very strong average accumulation zone. So for me on right now, looks to be a very good time to be accumulating if I'm going to look at the Cardano compared to Ethereum pair. As well, the exact same if I'm going to look to Cardano compared to Bitcoin. Of course, we fell to hold on towards this previous resist line on the top side. We flipped this level into support, but since we were failing to hold on towards this level, we're right now going to go to the lower side, and like you can see over here on the lower side, this was a previous major resistance zone and support zone that we have not been retesting, and we're about to retest this level as well. So still going to say it, I do think that Cardano is going to be showing us a very strong bounce here because it's creating hidden bullish divergence. And second of all, it's right now as well retracing back towards these floor prices against Bitcoin. And of course, what we are right now seeing here is that a lot of these altcoins are moving against Bitcoin. But since seeing this chart, we could be maybe in for a very strong bounce against Bitcoin because yeah, we tend to see the altcoins pumping after Bitcoin tends to pump. So I do think that Cardano is right now preparing itself for a major move. So guys, this was already it today for today's very quick update video here on Cardano. Hopefully you enjoyed this update video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash up that like button, of course, on this video. Share it with your friends if you think this content is very valuable. And with that out of the way, guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this new video, and we'll check you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.